Hello student, today I will explain conjunction. In this video you have to understand the conjunctions and the types of the conjunction. Now what is the conjunction? The definition: words which join two sentences, clauses or phrases are called conjunctions. Conjunctions type: there are three types of conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunction. Second, correlative conjunction. Third is subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. What is a coordinating conjunction? You have to understand the meaning of. Also called coordinators. They join two clauses or sentences of equal importance. Okay. Coordinating conjunctions examples are for, and, neither, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now how to use in the sentences of these coordinating conjunctions? I will shop in the market. I will eat food in the market. Now the both sentence we can use and make a one sentence. What is? I will shop and eat food in the market. So and is the coordinating conjunction. Now the second example, I like to travel. I don't like traveling by train. Now the two sentences we have to make a one sentence with the help of conjunction. I like to travel but I don't like travel by train. So this type we are using the conjunctions. Neither of the two computers is working fine. We can use this type of the conjunction also. Now the next example, will you take tea? Will you take coffee? We have to make a sentence, will you take tea or coffee? I wake up early in the morning. I had to board the train. Make a sentence, I wake up early in the morning for had to board the train. Now these are the some examples we can use and understand. His words were unbelievable. His words were true. We can make a sentence, his words were unbelievable, yet they were true. Ram has refused to come. Ram has refused to call. We make a one sentence, Ram will neither come nor will he call. Correlative conjunction. Phrase or words which join sentences or clauses of equal importance are called correlative conjunctions. The correlative conjunctions are either or, not only but also, neither nor, both and, whether or, as much as, no sooner than, rather than. We use these conjunctions in our sentence. First is, in order to learn, you must not only listen closely but also understand. So not only but also we can use here. Boss wants to know whether you will go for the meeting or I. Either compete or accept your defeat. Boys are playing a cricket, girls are playing a cricket. Both we can use and make a one sentence. Both boys and girls are playing cricket. No sooner had she read the letter than she burst into tears. Now the next, subordinating conjunction. It's also called the joining an independent clauses with a dependent clause. Now coordinating conjunctions: after, although, as for as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even, if, even though, every time, if, in order, that, since, so, so that, then, though, unless, until, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, and while. Now we can use in our sentences. Into. Indicate the movement from the outside to the inside of something. Into the pond, into the fire. Along indicates movement from one end to other end. Along the river bank, along the road. We were walking along the river. Across indicates movement from one side to the other of something. These are some others conjunctions we use in our regular basis. Across the road, across the sea. Now the next words used to mean in the direction of, towards the north, towards Delhi. The Himalaya mountains are towards the north. To, where we used to indicate the destination. To America, to the shop, to your house, to school. Children are going to school. Next is a by. Express the means of an action. By train, by coaching, by sea. We go to school by bus. Next, through. Denotes motion with in an object from one end to other. Through the tunnel, through the room. The train passes through 5 tunnels. Next is around. Indicates to go in a circular direction due to an obstacle. Around the world, around the park. Example, we went around the world. Next, up. Indicates the movement of ascent. Up the tree, up the ladder. Example, the monkey climbed up the tree, down. Now the next is a down. Indicates the motion of descent. Down the stair, down the road. Example, he has gone down the stairs. Next is off. Indicate the motion away from a surface. Off the wall, off the ceiling. Example, the cat jumped off the wall. Next, on to. Indicates motion of ascent and the present place of anyone. On the table, on the roof. The thieves climbed on the roof. Next is over. Indicates the motion to pass above something. Over the pool, over the fence. We jumped over the fence. Past indicates motion to a place further than a particular point. Past the post office, past her house. I just walked past the post office. So students, these are the some examples, and you can see in this video some exercise and understand where, how and which type we can use conjunctions. So student, I hope you understand the conjunction and its type, what is the means of the conjunction, and why we are using conjunction in English grammar. Okay, if you have any query, then message me. I will give you solution. I will solve your query. Thank you.